Hey guys, it's a beautiful Thursday. The storm is over. We had Hurricane Earl come north of us. I think you saw my video. Got pretty rough. Anyways, I made a mistake because my dinghy outboard engine gas tank was floating upside down, and like an idiot, I didn't get rid of the gas. I wanted to go for a ride and went out to my boat that evening, and it ran for a day or two, probably a day, and then died. So turns out I have water in my gas. I should have known better. I cheaped out on that, shouldn't have done that. Anyways, I looked on YouTube. There's not a lot of videos on how to get the water, or what to do once your engine dies. So right now I'm in the process. I'll show you what I'm doing. Okay guys, here's the fuel, and there's the water. Right there in the corner of the bucket. You got to get a clear container, that way you can see the water that settles to the bottom. All right, so here we go. See if we can fix it. If you're gonna work on your dinghy, might as well be in paradise. Look at this water, gorgeous. Got fish under my boat. Yeah, so guys, so far this is what I've done. I'm going to show you in a few minutes the water is actually in the gas, how you can determine that. But I've cleaned the fuel filter right there. I took the plugs out, and by the way, I plugged up the holes with tissue napkins because someone told me to make sure I do that. These are original spark plugs. So I'm going to go get new spark plugs. But there's not a lot of videos on YouTube what to do in this situation. I'm surprised. So any comments would be appreciated, but we'll see if this works. I'll let you know. New gas. I got all the gas out of the lines. I'm going to go fill up my tank with brand new gas, and hopefully with a little starter fluid I can start this. Hey guys, a beautiful day, and unfortunately I did not get the dinghy running today. Turns out we tried everything. I cleaned the fuel filter, new gas, new spark plugs. Didn't start. So tomorrow I got a friend that's going to help me clean the carburetor. So once you get that water in that engine, it's not easy. Well, I'll show you what we do tomorrow. Okay, stay tuned. All right, guys, so we had to take the carburetor off and we cleaned it. So the usual things didn't work yesterday. So here we go. We're cleaning the carburetor. I should have videotaped these done, but it wasn't that hard. He took off everything and we sprayed it with the carb cleaner and we put it back together, cleaned it out. We did find water in there, so I think that's our problem. So sometimes you get water in your gas, you got to take your carburetor off and clean it. Let's see if it works. I'm convinced no one's going to believe me, but I think that we have the best sunsets here. This is crazy. I'm sorry. Check it out. So my friends in Boston hate me. They said, I've been sending them sunsets for like years. They're like, enough with the sunsets. It's getting cold here. Yeah, how about this? Bring it on. How about that? Bring it. Wait. Oh, my phone's not that good though. I don't think it's that good. Anyways, that said, ha 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 ha. It's gonna snow soon. Sorry guys. Hey guys, if you're local and you're watching my videos, Reggae Sunday tomorrow, come check it out.